In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens on PancakeSwap using your Trust Wallet, a process that's quick, easy, and efficient once you know the steps. So grab your device and let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the PancakeSwap website by entering https://PancakeSwapFinance into your browser's address bar. This page is your gateway to a decentralized world of swapping. Once you're there, you'll notice the PancakeSwap homepage prominently displayed, ready to help you make some trades. Next, it's time to connect your Trust Wallet. You'll find the Connect Wallet button conveniently located at the top right corner of the PancakeSwap interface. Click it, and you'll see a list of available wallets. Select Trust Wallet from this list. At this point, your Trust Wallet browser extension will automatically pop up, asking for your approval to establish this connection. A simple click on Connect will suffice to approve, and just like that, you're linked up and ready to proceed. Moving on, it's time to select the tokens you want to swap. Still on the home page, you'll want to head over to the Swap tab. This is where all the magic happens. In the From field, choose a token like BNB. If BNB isn't what you're working with, feel free to select a different token. Then, in the To field, choose the token you're interested in acquiring. Whether it's Cake, Floki, or another, you can select from the list or even paste the token contract address if it's not readily available on the menu. This feature is handy for accessing less common tokens. Now, let's set the amount. Enter the number of BNB, or whatever token you've chosen, that you want to swap. The system will calculate the potential output for you. Just give it a moment. Remember, if the swap doesn't go through due to network congestion or other factors, there's a solution. Simply click the gear icon to adjust the slippage tolerance. Increase it to somewhere between 1% and 5% based on the specific token and market conditions. The final step is to confirm the swap. Go ahead and click the Swap button, and your Trust Wallet will prompt you for transaction approval. This is your opportunity to review any associated gas fees before you hit Confirm. After that, give it a few seconds, and congratulations, your transaction is complete. Before we wrap up, a few pro tips to keep in mind. Ensure that your Trust Wallet is set to the BNB Smart Chain Network. Always verify token contract addresses using official sources such as CoinGecko or the project's website to avoid potential scams. Lastly, consider adding custom tokens to your Trust Wallet to view your new balances effortlessly. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you're now well equipped to swap tokens on PancakeSwap using Trust Wallet. Happy swapping!